You gotta clip those teeth like this. Good boy. Good boy. It's very difficult to wash your dog's teeth, and these wipes are perfect. Now, keep them away from children. Keep them away from the eyes, all right? They have to go only one direction, and then clean up the teeth, all right? So that's very simple. So they're just little slip-ons for your fingers, if you guys can see that. So, and they have a, they're gonna help them with their breath too. Look at that, and they just slip on. I'm gonna get 2 of them because I have 2 dogs. And they're slip-ons right now, if you guys can see. Let me show you what I'm talking. So if you guys can see, now let's test them out. See if they like them. All right, so we got our dog's teeth here. Let me clean them up a little bit. We just grab the teeth, and all you got to do is run it like this. See that? Very simple. Just grab the snout. Very simple. Look at that. Look at that. Simple.